What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Sorry I'm a little bit late. Let me know if you guys can hear my audio all good, and we're going to get this party started. So please, as always, let me know where you're tuning in from tonight. I would love to see where you guys are and just see how many people we have from the East and the West here. Let me just pop open the YouTube right now and make sure that we are good. Okay, so I see 32 people in here. All right, so let's go to the Twitter right now. And let's just message everybody and say we're live now. And then we're going to talk about a few things. Okay. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the indicators. Okay, so let's start off with that. Let's talk about that. So I've been working with just a follower who basically he knows how to write code and stuff, and he was like, hey man, you do a lot for the community and I want to help you out and I want to help build these codes. So he's helping me with this and I'm going to share you guys with that. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have Ruby from Houston, Alfred from Maryland, Boomshot from Houston, Monica from Morristown, and Raju from London, and my brother right here from Austin, Texas. Okay, so I want to talk about the indicators. So there's two forms of the indicators now that I have, and basically I want to share this with you guys for free because that's how we do it. All right, so basically the Trading War Golden Indicators is what I called it. My book is called The Golden Partnership, so I just said, hey, let's keep that golden term going. So what this indicator has is everything that I use. It has the inside bars, the outside bars, the holy grails, setups, and the Bollinger Bands. So the Bollinger Bands, you guys know, I mostly use that as a secondary indicator for the higher time frames. But with this, you should be good to go. So there's two versions. There's a version that doesn't have any writing. And then there's a version that has the writing and says like inside bar and outside bar. It says that specifically. So let me know. Okay, so here is the first version. And you can go in here and you can change the color. So I'm going to put the inside bar for yellow right now. And I'm going to do the outside bar for white. So I'm just going to flip that around. I like that more. But you can change the colors to whatever you want. So this is basically going to highlight all of the patterns that I trade. So the white bars are the outside, the yellow ones are the inside. And then anytime we get this highlight that comes down from the heavens, this golden highlight, that is going to be the Holy Grail pattern. All right. And then I want to show you guys with the other one that has the writing. And then I want you guys to vote on which one you like. And then we're going to do our options recap. I'm not going to take too long today because I have a lot of stuff going on. It's just too much for me going on. So I'm going to try my best to keep this very clean, get this done. Okay. So here we go. Trading Wars. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the one with the writing on it, and let me teach you guys a few things. So here is the script, and I can go in here right here. I could click the source code, and then this is basically the script. Okay, so you can just like copy and paste in scripts. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna copy the one that has the writing, and I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna paste it like this. And then I'm going to click add to chart. Okay, and then there we go. Now look at this beauty right here. I'm so excited for this beauty right here. So now this one has the writing, outside bar and inside bar. So let me get rid of the first one. And then let me just add my colors that I like. You can use any colors that you want. Okay, just whatever you want. So yellow, I'm going to do inside. Outside, I'm going to do white. And then for shapes, I'm going to do yellow for the inside bar and then white for the outside bar. Or let's do blue for the outside bar. And then I'm going to hit the Holy Grail with yellow. I like that. There we go. So now, as you guys can see, we have the outside bar, the inside bar, and it actually has a little bit of writing with it. So it's easier for new traders to basically see it. Inside bar, outside bar. Okay. So now I want you guys to vote. Which one do you like better? So if you like the first one without the little writing, hit me with a 1. If you like the second one, hit me with a 2. Okay, so let's see what you guys have to say. So I see some twos, good. I was supposed to, man, guys, I'm so behind today. I just have so much stuff to do. I was supposed to edit this video and add in, make it a little bit more quicker with the responses, because I don't really get to, I'm not seeing your responses as fast as I would like to. So let me try to go fix that. But yes, okay. So I see a mix. I see the twos and the ones. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna publish both, okay? And I'm gonna share it with you guys, and you're gonna be able to choose which one you want. All right. And you know what, guys? I just want to say something. Um, I can easily, sell this for $10 a month or $30 a month or whatever the hell I want. But um, I want to make this something that is my legacy for you guys, that you can feel that I've been there and I've helped you. And I just want to make you feel like you have somebody here that cares. And I do. Okay. Actually, someone said a very good thing. All you have to do is take off these shapes if you don't want it. So that's beautiful. So we're going to stick with number 2. If you don't want the shapes, all you got to do is take it off here. Okay. And man, this guy really helped me so much. And I'm so grateful because honestly, guys, I'm out there helping people and giving stuff to people, and then people are coming back to me and giving me stuff. Like, people are buying my books, people are joining the swing room, and then also people are coming and helping me make my own indicators, right? And this is just amazing. So we've come such a long way together, guys. We've come such a long way, such a long way. It's just beautiful. I'm so grateful for this. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. So let's see if we can publish this right now. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go here. We got to figure out how to publish this. We got Angel right here with the $5. Thank you so much for that donation. I really appreciate that. That's going to the Starbucks fund. Thank you. You donated yesterday. You donated today. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Okay. So this is what we're going to do here. So I'm going to try to publish this and we're going to test this out together. So we're going to go here, publish script. Okay. And we're going to make it private, because if I make it public, they're going to take it down for some reason. And then we're going to put category. We're going to put, I don't know, trend analysis. And then we're going to put tags, trading wars. That's it. Trading wars. Okay. Whatever. That doesn't work. Anyways. So now I'm going to go here. Boom. And then we are going to publish this as a private script. And then I want you guys to see if it works. So this is what I'm going to do here. This is so, oh my God, this is just beautiful for me to look at. This is like the accumulation of all of my work. So we're going to go here, share this, blah, blah, chart as image. And we're just going to copy that. We're going to go in here. And then this thread is where I have all of my content that I'm sharing with you guys for free. So we're going to go here. I'm going to put this. Okay, so hopefully the chart comes up. Don't see it. I don't know why. 1 second. Let's try again. Here. I want the chart to show up to. Okay, here we go. So let's do this. Okay. Well, we'll do this for now. So we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna say free trading wars golden indicators. Click add. Okay, like that. So let's walk through this. So when we copy here and we go like this, what's gonna happen here? So it's gonna take us this, and then you want to click add to favorite indicators. Click add to. I'm just gonna put add to indicators like that. Okay, and then let's take a screenshot. For some reason, the thing is dumb. Okay, and so let's zoom out like this. Okay, and let's zoom out like that. Let's zoom out a little bit more. So I'm gonna just snip this, and then I'm gonna put a big circle around this. Okay, and like let's change this to red. So do this like this. Okay, so here we go. Right there. All right, so let's try that out. All right, so Chutron with the $10. Thank you very much, brother. I don't know, this guy has unlimited money. This guy donates all the time. Thank you so much, sir. $5 right here. Do you have a video that goes over how your setup triggers within the day or at open? Yep, all of these videos right here. You gotta watch all of these ones right here in this playlist. Okay. Thank you very much for the donation, brother. And here we go. Bigatti right here with the $10. Thank you very much, sir. Very much appreciate that. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so now go ahead, click on this stuff here and add it and let me know if it works. Okay, let me know if it works. We got the $20 from Matt Terrell right here, brother. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Much appreciated. You guys, I really appreciate that you guys are donating this much. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you. Matt has a super sticker. So let's see these. Oh yeah, we got the Woot. All right, beautiful. Okay. So can you guys let me know if it works? Okay. So one guy said it works. I just got it on my chart. So let me know. Let me know quickly. We don't have much time today. And then let me just reset this. Okay. And then let's go back to the charts. Oh, Spice was a beautiful trade today. Works on mobile. Works. Good stuff. Beautiful. All right. So let's get into the power right now. Let's get into the beauty right now. Oh shit. Where did it go now? Oh, did I send you guys the wrong one? Did I send you guys the wrong one? Okay, does yours have the indicators? Like, does it say the stuff on it? Let me know. I might have posted the wrong one because I'm looking at this right now and I don't see it. Does it have like outside bar, inside bar? Let me get rid of this. Let's go here now. Indicators. And yes, it does. Okay. So let's go my scripts, trading wars indicators. Okay. What did I do? Okay, hold on. Let me copy the code again for myself. And then we'll go through the recap. So here we go. Where's golden indicator? Add to chart, save. Save. Okay, think I'm good. Beautiful. Okay, so here we go. Get rid of that. And then we go here. And we go settings. All right, so I'm just going to set up my colors that I like. Yellow, white, yellow, and blue. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm ready. Okay, so here we go. So the first one that I want to recap today is someone corrected me and said it's space. It's not spice. So so space. So we're going to look at space. Okay, so here we go. Let's hit the market replay and let's discuss. So first of all, space came on my scanner for one reason. Inside bar. Okay, so now we can all see it together. There's no guesswork. Here's an inside bar. It says inside bar. Okay, so first question. When space has an inside bar, so it had an inside bar on Friday, what's happening to option premiums? Are option premiums increasing or decreasing? So are they decaying or are they increasing? So let me know what you guys think. What are happening to the option premiums there? Increase or decrease? Decay. Good. So that means that we can get a good deal on this space split options, right? So the other thing is, normal thing that we see in trading a lot, if you've been trading a lot, is we call it sell the news. So whenever there's like really good news about a company, a lot of times the stock does the opposite because that's how the market makers catch new traders. That's what they like to do. They like to take advantage of new traders, and that happens a lot. So the first thing is we can look at the levels that I had. So we had this level for the short, this level for the long, and then we're going to press play. Okay, so boom. So this is the first 5-minute bar. So if you're using the breakout method, the level method right there, once we break that line, the yellow line, that's your trigger for the puts. right? So you just take there, you can short shares, puts, whatever. You can have a stop loss back here, right? Because this is the first 5-minute bar. And then we're going to go next. Okay. So then the next setup here is if you miss this push down here, you can take an opening range breakout. Okay. You just take that opening range breakout right there. Boom. So that move from here to here is still going to make you good money. So you could take that opening range breakout right there. So that's the first one right there. And then let's see what else was on the day. So that's, nice follow through. Here's the first inside bar of the day. Boom. Okay. So, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you about that. Like, if you missed all of this, here's the next inside bar. Take that short right there. Boom. There's just very beautiful, great opportunities. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just so many opportunities there. And then pretty much when I'm playing these names like this, I'm done after like the third opportunity. I'm pretty much done. I don't want to stick around because then we start to get a lot of fake outs and breakout. Like this one, for example, this inside bar, it broke lower, but just for a second, then it turned up. And now we actually have the reversal of a holy grail. We have the reversal. This is the reversed holy grail because we have an inside bar, then an outside bar instead of an outside bar and an inside bar. So we have the reversed holy grail. So let's see how that plays out. Okay. So if you take the breakout of the reverse holy grail right there, boom, that's money right there. You see? So the calls, you could have tried the calls there. You get a scalp at least. And then we just chop around pretty much, right? So that's why you want to play as a trader. You want to play the morning, the quick push, the morning legs. And then if we look at the Fibonacci, okay, we take the Fibonacci from the high to the low from my book right here. This is the morning leg right here. So normally when we have like a big sell-off like this, a lot of the times when we retrace, we're not going to retrace deep. We won't because it's so violent. So instead, we get this retrace to the 236. And at the 236, it's actually a very beautiful trade because look, at the 236, you have an inside bar right there. So that's your signal to try. So you take that short right there, stop up here, stop above the 382, whatever you want to do, and you just ride that down into the close. Very, very, very good trade. Very good day for Spice. Like, I mean, it doesn't get better than that. All right. So hit me with a 1 if you guys understand that. This one was the highlight of the day. Very, very clean plays, and a lot of people that would, those guys out there in the media are, when these guys were doing their thing and they were in, outer space and all that, they're like, pumping stuff. And I'm going to be here and tell you guys the truth is be careful of what you do. Be careful of the news you follow. Be careful of who you follow. Be careful of who's pumping what. Do your own due diligence. Protect yourself at all times because there are people that are trying to push the media. They're trying to push the normal person into one direction in order to exploit them. And this is a good example of that because how many people do you think today that watch all these big news channels or whatever, watch all these guys and they just come in here and they just buy blindly. They just buy blindly because they see stuff on TV, right? They just buy blindly. They see stuff on TV and then they get destroyed today. And the market makers make money. So I'm trying to give you guys the protection and just teach you guys like, you can come in here and play long. You can play long if you want to play long, but you have to have a right setup. Okay, you have to have the right setup. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say there. So hit me with a 1 if you understand what I'm trying to say there. Like I'm not trying to bash anybody. I'm not trying to say anything about anybody. Everybody has their own style of trading. That's fine. But I'm just saying to you guys, new traders, I'm trying to warn you as a new trader to just be careful of don't follow things blindly. Don't follow hype. Have your plan, understand the levels, understand the setups, and do what you have to do for yourself to protect yourself. Okay, protect your capital. Good. So let's move on. Sharneen says, I unfollowed about 20 people today. You are so right. That's awesome. Honestly, guys, what these people do to other people is just not fair. Okay, so here we go. The next one was AMC. So we can go back to AMC here. So this is a good one to look at because a lot of people ask me like, what do we do when we gap down or gap outside of the range? So here we go. So somebody tell me, what is the pattern on AMC? Okay, someone tell me what's the pattern there on AMC. And then we're going to go to the 5-minute. What pattern is that on AMC? What do you guys think? I'm gonna hit play. Okay, so here we go. Boom, first 5-minute bar. So the question is here, what type of gap is this? Okay, so let me test you guys here. What type of gap is this? Is it a gap down or is this a gap up? What do you guys think? I don't know why the chat's moving so slow for me today. I think I've messed up one of the settings. So beast mode right here with the $2, brother. Thank you very much. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much, sir. So yeah, gap down, gap down, gap down. Okay, so here we go. So here's the level. So this was the level I identified, right? So obviously we're gapping below the level. So you have a few options here. The first thing you can do is just take the opening range breakout. Okay, we know that already. We could take the first 5-minute opening range breakout. The second thing we can do is wait for a retest of the level, right? A lot of people like to wait for the retest, wait for it to pull back into the level, okay? The third option is we can look for the inside bars, we can look for the fibs. So let's go here, okay? So this candle was very wild, but right there on an opening range breakout, you're taking the break above there, that's good money. You've made at least 1.5 times your money right there. So that's a very, very great trade right there. So that's why I tell you guys, don't forget about the opening range breakout. In the right context, it can work very, very well. Right? So there's opening range breakout. So here we do come back, we retest the level. So what you have to, if you're going to take this here, you have to actually have a limit order on the level itself, okay, in order to get in there, because you're not going to catch it on this move here unless you're like watching on a 1-minute chart or something like that. So let's go next. Then here we have an inside bar. Okay, so here's the inside bar. So if you didn't take the orb, if you didn't take the retest, you have inside bar, you can short right there. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so there's the breakdown that you want. Okay, so there's your breakdown, short right there. There's your breakdown down there. That's enough for a 1-to-1. That's good money. Okay, so that's good. Another inside bar here. So this one is setting up. This inside bar is a reversal setup because, you know, we have this right here, you know, this double bottom here with an inside bar. So just taking the break of that, this move from here to here, that's 1-to-1. That's good money right there too. Okay, so you gotta, and then here, if you sit through all of this, you have another one right here too. That's a beautiful winner. Boom, right there. And then we just start to chop around, right? Like that's why I like to play the first few setups that I have, right? Play the first few setups that I have, and then after that, I'm pretty much done. This one was a short right here. If we draw the fib here, we can see that that's on a fib, pretty sure. So we'll go high to low. Okay, beautiful on the 618. That's exactly what I suspected, 618 rejection. So this is the morning leg from my book right there. Okay, so you get this first push down right there. There's the morning leg. You come back into the 618. You have to have a limit order there, or you can just take the inside bar as your confirmation. Okay, and then let's just let this day play out. Okay, beautiful. Okay, here's a holy grail right here. Here's a holy grail. I mean, I just love this. This is so beautiful. Here's the holy grail. There's a nice breakdown. I mean, this is good stuff. This is good stuff. This is changing your life. You don't realize it right now, but trust me, you will. You will realize this, how much I'm changing your life. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, boom. So there we go. So beautiful plays. We had a few there. We had finally the holy grail at the end. Take that breakdown. That's good money. Okay, so that's good. So hit me with the 3 if you're okay with the AMC play. Hit me with the 3. And then what's the other ones that I want to look at? I want to look at Roblox and Amazon, and that's all I'm going to be able to do today. Okay, so we get the 3s there. Good stuff. Thank you. Let's move on. Roblox. All right, so here we go. Let's go to the daily first. Let's hit the market replay. Let's see how this goes. Replay okay. So here we go. Go down to the 5 minutes. So we know it was an inside bar yesterday. Here are the levels that I have drawn. Let's press play. Boom, first 5-minute bar. So the first 5-minute bar is it broke through the level. Okay, so this is if you're doing a level trade, you take the breakout here, or you can take the opening range breakout. Boom, that's just easy. God, it's crazy. It's really crazy at this point. Brian Brick right here, Maverick, $4.99, brother. Thank you so much for that donation. Will you check the SPY daily and what play you would have taken on it? Sure, I will look at that. I'll look at that. So let's pause this. Let's look at the SPY for my brother here. Since he donated, I appreciate that a lot. Okay, so here we go, daily. Okay, so like SPY, there was no setup in terms of like an inside bar, outside bar, none of that, right? So what we do here, we go to 5-minute chart. Okay, and we have, let's go. So let's start here. So this is the first bar, the 930. Okay, so right here, um, we get an inside bar over here. So this one is a valid play. Take that inside bar. That's a good winner. Okay, that one is a good winner. And over here, this is just chopped out. There's nothing really there. That's why I like taking them at the beginning of the day, right? Take that inside bar there. That's good. Um, Outside of that, like this was a day where SPY really kind of just went vertical. Those are harder to play because you don't get good pullbacks. But that being said, let's just look at the inside bars. This one is a winner. This one is a loser. This one, if you scalp, is a winner. This one is a nice winner. This is a beautiful winner into the close. This one is a winner. Okay. This outside bar over here depends how you play it. But like you see, if you focus on the morning session, there's still good setups there. Very, very good setups. So you just have to write down. Write down how you want to approach it. Like write down which are the style you're gonna do. Are you gonna do inside bars? Are you gonna do orb? Like even if you take the orb here, right? Here's 930. Okay, if you just take the break above that 930 bar, you can just hold that until the end of the day and just keep it simple, right? So there, you got to define which way you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? Shernine here with the $1.99. Thank you very much, Shernine. Let me look at this super sticker. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. I got the thanks. All right. Appreciate that. Okay. So yeah. So guys, like when you become an advanced trader, you can basically you'll see all the setups. You'll take all of them, whatever, inside bars, holy grails, fibs, you'll see them and you'll be able to take that. But in the beginning, just dial it back a little bit and focus on one or two of them and just really master it. You don't have to risk real money. Just do paper trading or risk very, very small amounts of money until you're confident with this, until you have a track record, and then you can start risking more money. But start off small, build a confidence, build a practice. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys today. So let's go back. Roblox here. So we were, hit the replay again. So we were right here. Okay. So there we go. So this opening range breakout or just taking the break of the level right there, that's a beautiful winner. That's a very solid winner right there. Here we go. Another inside bar. So here's your other play right there. You take that inside bar. That, like, I mean, it's just beautiful. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Now we can do a fib from low to high. This is the morning leg from my book here. Look at this. Look at this. Brother here, Nathaniel. Just want to say I learned a lot from you and I appreciate you tons, King. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Thank you. It's all about changing people's lives and helping people. That's what it's about. I'll be repaid in many, many different ways. So thank you very much, sir. Okay, so here we go. So let's look at this fib here. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. Look at this. We tag the 786, and for half a second, we hold it for the algo is just sitting there, and then boom, it just takes it right up there. And from an algorithm perspective, guys, this move from here to here can make them a lot of money. They don't need, you see, like the way that the robots are designed, they don't need huge moves to make money. This little move right here is a one-to-one risk to reward. You enter here, stop loss is here, your target is here, done. Right? So these algorithms are just amazing. And this is the power of the Fibonacci. And if there's something that I want you guys to learn, it's, guys, get the book, watch the YouTube videos, and learn these things, because you need to know where the orders are going to be for these bots. You need to know how they think, right? Where it can be, and understand that, right? So here we go again. Brian again with the $4.99. Thank you again, sir. Do you trade daily option on SPY Monday, Wednesday, Friday? I typically trade those days. Morning I bought 5 a.m. on Aura, but sold for loss. I used to do SPY every day, mostly with futures, and then I started doing options a little bit, but mostly with futures contracts. So if you're having trouble with the options, maybe look into the futures, because the futures, there's no like DK or anything like that, and there is good leverage. So why don't you look into that, brother? SPY is very, very good, but I actually have changed up a little bit of the way I am, and I really like actually trading multiple names and spreading myself out. And I kind of look at SPY as just one symbol now, but you can definitely make a living from just trading SPY. I know people that do it. I have friends that do that. Okay, so there we go. And then let's just play here. Boom. So, okay, so there we go. So here, the algorithm is in here. They lock in some profits. and we just flip, which is fine because there's always algorithms battling each other. So here's the bull algorithm and the short algorithm is up here, right? The short algorithm is up here doing its thing. So let's see if we can find the short algorithm. Let's see if we can find that one. So the way that I would look at this here, let's look for a measured move from the low. Okay. So yesterday's range is here. So let's use yesterday's range and project it. Okay. So that's what I was expecting, right around the 1 measured. So the distance from here to here, this is the range of yesterday, right? Friday, sorry. And then if we pull it up here, that's completely 1 full extension of that range. So normally 1 full extension of the range will have some selling, right? And sometimes it's going to be a big sell off like this. Sometimes it's going to be a small sell off. But all of these things you need to have in your toolkit so that you can understand. So like, for example, if you take the opening range breakout down here, you're going to want to use these targets to lock in profits because you know that these can be where it's going to reverse. Okay. And then, so there we go. So the orb inside bar, the fib on the way down didn't really work out, and that's okay. And then we have another inside bar there. We have a double inside bar and then a beautiful breakdown right there. Okay. So double inside, you take that, this move right here, guys, that's good enough for 1-to-1. That's a good trade right there. And then now we have a holy grail pattern actually set up. Let's see how this one goes. Okay. And this one was just basically chop. So, you know, it depends. If you had your stop loss down here, you might have still gotten it, but you're not going to win every single trade. So this is good. This is good because everything looks like a winner. It's not. Okay. So if you took your plays here, you made your money, maybe you try a little bit down here. If it doesn't work out, move on. That's fine. So, you know, if you can win 1 or 2 trades out of, 5 of them on a good day, and you risk manage properly, you can walk away with a profit. That's all we're trying to do. Walk away with a profit every single day. That's all we're trying to do. Walk away with a profit. Okay. So beautiful. And then the last one I talk about is Amazon. So Amazon was a bit of a false breakout today. So let's hit the replay. Okay. So from the first 5-minute bar. So we knew that Amazon actually had a holy grail pattern on the daily chart. So here's the holy grail. Okay. So Amazon started with a gap up, and what we could do here is just like what we always do. We can start off with the opening range breakout. So there we go. Take the opening range breakout there. So the opening range breakout was the best play on the day, obviously, right? You have the nice short here. That's good money for puts. And if you didn't want to take the opening range breakout, you had this beautiful inside bar calling your name right there. So you do the inside bar instead. That one's beautiful. Okay. And then when we come back down, this is near the previous day's low. So this is near Friday's low. We have another inside bar, nice little one right there. You take this inside bar up. That's a good scalp too. Okay. So that's good money too. All that's good money. Okay. And then that's like, you see how I'm focusing on like the first 3 to 4 plays. And then after that, I'm not really too interested because I don't want to get caught up in this. You see this here? This is what we call the afternoon chop. Like from, basically from 11:15, 11:30, like it just becomes a lot of chop. So you want to see, you notice how when we look at the charts in the morning, there's some clean moves. That's what we're looking for as traders. Take those clean moves and disappear. And if you took the opening range breakout back here, you would have been just sitting in this all day, locking some profits and sitting in it. Then the next thing we have is the morning leg. If we go Fibonacci from high to low here, we come back to the 382. We reject 1, 2, 3 times. So with 3-wick rejection at the 382, that's a nice setup right there. And then we also have a nice inside bar right here. That's giving you another confirmation. Take that short. Boom. That's good money. Okay. Good stuff. Okay. So I really like that. I mean, we don't always have to get the home run plays. We can scalp. We can, we can trade. We can come in and trade. And just use the setups. That's what the day traders have as an advantage. A day trader's advantage is that they can come in and they can take a play for 10, 15 minutes and they can make money and disappear. But a swing trader will have to sit through all of that. They'll have to sit through the ups and downs. But the good thing with the swing traders is swing trader gets the potential. If there's big gap ups overnight, the swing trader can get that part of the pie. Whereas the day trader will not, right? So there's pros and cons to day trading and swing trading. But I'm trying to teach you guys everything. All right. So there it is. Those are the 4. I'm going to go look and create a new list for tonight and get everything going again. And I just need to take a little break. So much stuff going on. So I'm going to take a little break, relax for a little bit, and then just come back on here, get you guys your content, get you guys your picks for the next day, get everybody ready to go. All right. So, hit me with a 5 if that was informative and if you guys like that. Hit me with the 5 if it was a good recap, nice little quick one. Normally we'd go for about an hour, but I want to keep it around 30 minutes today. And I want to actually keep it around 30 minutes going forward because I'm just going to die. I'm going to just burn out. So I need to keep it more controlled, and I need to have better control of that. Okay. All right. I see a lot of 5s. So this is great. So let's say something positive here to end off. You know, basically, everybody can do whatever they want in trading. They can trade whatever they want, but you have to trade your plan and your style. This is my way. This is my way. And I encourage you to take my way and adjust it to what you want based on what style you like. If you're a day trader, if you're a swing trader, I just want you to, fix it for based on your constraints that you have. Everybody's different. And I'm just here and I just want to give you a helping hand on your journey. All right? And that's it. That's it for me. So thank you very much for your time. And I really appreciate all of you, the indicators there on the Twitter. And I would appreciate if you guys could do 2 things for me. Okay. If you guys could do 2 things for me, I would really appreciate that. The first thing is if you could like the video and subscribe, because I want YouTube to grow, because honestly, everything that I'm doing for you guys is what I wish somebody did for me when I first started trading, and I wouldn't have lost $25,000. I wouldn't have, because I would have had a plan, I would have had a system, I would have had risk management. But nobody wants to really talk about that stuff. Everybody wants to sell the get rich overnight thing, because that's what lazy people want, and that's what makes money. And that's not for me. And the right type of people will come to me and they will learn. So I would appreciate that. The other thing is, if you guys can just like my stuff on Twitter, and maybe you could reach out to your favorite channels, maybe like Trendspider and stuff. I want to go on there. I want to go on, do interviews and help and show what I'm doing, but I don't get a lot of respect. I don't get enough. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And they're gonna listen to you guys, the people. I tried reaching out to people. I tried like setting up like YouTube interviews and all that stuff, but people, either they ignore me or they don't care. But I really think that the value that I'm bringing to everybody, I think it's life changing, and I think that we deserve a bigger platform to speak to the people. That's what I really want to do. So if you could help me out with that in any way, that would be much appreciated. All right. So like when these guys are always like, oh, who do you want to see next, blah, 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 or whatever. If you could tag me on that, I would really appreciate that. Okay. All right. That's it for me. We'll have the picks up later. Thank you. Have a great night.